Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions that is check whether or not the two numbers are friendly pair in Java. How to solve this? As you can see here, the what the question is saying the friendly pair. To check a number is friendly pair or not means what is the friendly pair actually is. So basically, so here find the basically whatever numbers you have like let's say here see find the sum of divisor of the both numbers. Pairs means you have two inputs just like this here. If you have a 6, then if you have a 28, okay, this is the two numbers which you have. And divisor of this number is let's divisor means the factor of your number. So as you can see, our number is divided by 1, 2, 3, and 6. It will be divided by itself as well. So here we have a 4 divisor. As well as 28 have how many divisors? Here. This is also have 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. This is the divisor of this your actual number. Okay. After this, what you need to do, you have to sum of your number. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. What will you get? 12. Same here. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. What will you get? 56. After the sum of your divisor, you have to divide your number, uh, your actual number, divide by your actual numbers. As you can see here, you will get the 2. After dividing, what you will get? 2. 2. That is a quotient of your number. As the same is the sum of your divisor is 12, which is divided by actual number 6. You will get the 2. So this both is equal to the ratio of 2 and 2. The ratio of the both number is equal to means it will be a friendly pair number. That is the thing is explaining here. The find the sum of the divisor of the both number, including the number itself. Divide the sum by the number. If the ratio are equal, that they are friendly pairs. That's it. That's only about this definition of this friendly pair. But the program is very easy. But theoretical part is but little bit of complex. But the program is not. So let's implement our program. So first take one method, main method here. Take two variables named num1 is equal to 6. Sorry, 6. Then another variable int num2 which have a 28. These are the two numbers you have, and you want to check that is it a friendly pair number or not. For that, you need a method. So where to implement that? Let's implement a class level block. So our number is static. The method is static method. Type is int type. Name of the method is sum of divisor. You'll be collecting the sum of divisor or factor, sum of your number factor. Divisor. These are the very basics program which you already done in maths in the 10th maths and 12th math, even the your BTech completing, they are also you done this kind of uh, mathematical operations. But the thing is here you have to do with the code. The we might be you might be getting complex, but once you solve, you will be getting the more confident. So divisor int and the numbers actual number is int and then you need a one variables that is the sum which is calculating the divisor sum of your divisor. Then you take for loop int I is equal to 1. I should less than is equal to, I have to check until the n. For that the I is less than equal to n. Here it will check a total from the 6 from the 28. Will take until that. That is why less than equal to n I plus plus. Come inside the for loop, and the logic part is just if and our n is percentile I is equal to 0. Then what you need to do? Sum plus sum plus equal to I. This is the our assignment operators. Plus equal to assignment operator to assign the values inside of sum. Whatever we will get the divisor, that sum will be getting inside of sum. Just like the 6 divisor of 6 is uh, divisor of 6 is how many have? 1, 2, 3, 6. Sorry, 6. These are the divisors we will get here. So this is the way of this line working. After this, what you need to do, just come out this for loop and return sum. So it will be returning the sum of your number. After this method is what is doing. This is the calculating the sum of your divisor. That's it. This method is doing that much of work only. After this, come here. Uh, Let me come here, and then just calculating the sum. So int sum 1. This is the first variables, because here we have our two variables. I have to calculating the divisor of the both variables. That is why int sum 1 is equal to call your method. That is the sum of divisor. You will get the number. Sorry, this is the number one. Num1. Then int sum2 to calculating the value of divisor of 28 in the sum2 variables. Sum2 is equal to sum of your divisor. Sum of your divisor num2. So now it came inside the sum1 and sum2. After this, you have to check is this there is right or not. Means the ratio of this two number is uh, right or not, or equal to or not, you can say. So if double, why we need the double? If not a double, you just need if someone is divided by num2, sorry, num1, and that equal to sum2 divided by num 2, then what we have to print is out uh, num1, sorry, yeah, num1 plus and plus num2 plus r friendly pair, friendly friendly pair, same as the else. Just control C this line and control V. What you need to do are not friendly pair. So let's run this program. See, our program is complete now. Let's run it. See, 6 and 20 are friendly pair because if you remember that the ratio of 12 and 56 is 2 and 2. That is why it is a friendly pair number. What if, let me take, uh, so 30 and then run this program. See, 6 and 30 are friendly pair. Let me take here 51, then run this program. See, 6 and 51 are not a friendly pair. This is the way of this programming working. I hope you will understand this. You might be getting a little bit of confused, but it's not a confusion. It's just know the basics. If you done the maths in your BTech, then you remember that how it's worked. The simply calculating the divisor of your number and that sum of the number, that divisor, and then that whatever the numbers you will get in the sum, that should be divided by your actual number, that is a 6. And whatever the values you will get, that is a ratio or the divisor after that divisor is call it as a pair of your number. So it's very simple. It's not a big deal. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.